Alright, so welcome back to another sound test, and we now have the C10 Pro versus the CCA C10. So the C10 was one of our top recommendations under $30, still one of my favorites, but we now have the Pro version with the C10 Pro, slightly more expensive. So actually when I did some measurements, they're not that far off, so this will be an interesting comparison. Of course, if you want to get one, use my links down in the comments below or description below. It came from Block LZ. So let's start the sound test now.
Make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.